Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a Genoese Wave Bar. Let's get started. I will begin by taking my string here on the far left and wrapping it around the two next to it. I'll take it in front, it goes around and through that loop. I'm going to pull that tight. Then I bring it around again to go through that loop and I pull it tight. And then we're going to do this one more time. So it goes around, through, and I pull it tight. Just like that. Now I will take this rope here to wrap around the same two strings. So I'll take it in front and then around and through. Pull that tight, once more, around and through, and then I do it one more time, so I'm always wrapping 3 times. Now I'm going to go back and do this rope again, so it goes around and through. And now I'm going to be working with this section of 4. So I'm going to start on the far right and wrap it around 3 times the 2 in the middle. Now I go and use this one to go around the 2 in the middle. And once more using this rope on the far right. Just like that. And now I'm going to combine my 2 sections in an alternating method. So I will use these 2 ropes here as my center, and I'm going to start with the one on the left. So I just take it around again. Then I come in and I use this rope here and do it another 3 times. Once more using this rope here. And there you go! This is the Genoese Waved Bar. It's a really cool pattern that you could use in variation to your normal square knot patterns. So it's really fun and playful, and you can use this in a variety of projects. You can also make these sections as long as you want, so you could use these for plant hangers or bracelets, keychains, belts, anything where you use one of those long chains. You can use this method. You can also use it as a netting pattern by alternating as I did. It's very fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and thank you so much for watching.